To remove an indicator in Tradingview, start by opening your chart and locating the indicator you want to remove. If you have multiple indicators on your chart, make sure to identify the one you want to delete. Click on the indicator you want to remove, and a settings icon will appear next to it. Click on this icon to open the indicator settings. In the settings menu, you will see a cross or a delete button at the top right corner. Click on this button to remove the indicator from your chart. Alternatively, you can also remove an indicator by clicking on the Pine Editor button. Then click on the Indicators tab, and from the list of indicators, find the one you want to remove and click on the cross next to it to delete it. It is also possible to remove all indicators at once by clicking on the Chart Settings button. Then click on the Indicators tab, and at the bottom of the page, you will see a button that says Clear All. Click on this button to remove all indicators from your chart. When removing indicators, make sure to save your chart template if you have made any other changes to the chart that you want to keep, as removing indicators will not affect your chart template. Best practice is to regularly review your indicators and remove any that are no longer needed, to keep your chart organized and clutter-free. This will help you to focus on the indicators that are most important to your trading strategy and make it easier to analyze the market. By following these steps, you can easily remove indicators from your Tradingview chart and keep your chart organized and clutter-free.